Jesus. But you really sit down here, sir, and you hear me call you not answer? No, sir. You see, if I don't want favor, I come ask you, January. But just turn back. You can't go on here. Jesus, please. What you say? Pat, me never say food. Me say favor. And you don't know me stay already. So if I food me come over here for, me just come my base. But well, since you're so kind, share out some, please. Well, anyway, that I come over here for still. You know what, Pat? The boy finally asked me out. Yes, me I go on a date in the next few minutes. Yes. This a while ago. Careless? Pat, me? Me careless, Pat? You know what? Pat, this a while ago. Me, careless. No star. After me come over here and come ask my best friend to take care of my picnic them for me. You can call me careless. So the government say, if you go anywhere, don't let your picnic them alone at home. I'm going to come over here, come ask my nice, clean friend to take care of my picnic them. Part of prison, you really want me to go? You look like a prison, you really want me to go, you know. Hey, not even now, but I go. The vibe just broke. Pat, me and you come from far, you know, from way back in the pot. And if anybody to know where, why, when me eat last night, when me I go anything, are you, Pat. And me know say, me not a secret. Me all of you laugh, you know. Pat, try remember, you know, Pat. I say, try remember, you know. The last relationship with you in, you know. And me, I have to keep you 4 picking them, you know. Because you and your man could agree. Never keep them for 1 week straight. And me never complain. Me never murmur. And me I go for one little date now. And here you are going. Eh? Look how you are going. Listen to yourself, Pat. Just listen to yourself. Me think you're my friend. Me think you're my friend. But you're the last sheep. You're the last sheep. But you think me no know? You think me no know? You think me no hear? I just do want you to say something to me. But Pat, don't Anina and make the man beat you up, you know? Don't stay and make him beat you up. Come in, you don't know so long time I don't like him. I don't like him. Him nice, but him not so nice. Tani, Pat, no matter turning here and turn furniture in here, you know? Because sir starting from no one friend to no friend at all. You can't talk to your family and nothing. No turning here making beat you up, you know? That me I tell you, you know? That me I tell you. You know what? I'm just going here before you come because I don't want you in an argument because of me. Because me and you are a good friend. And you don't know me still already. Remember last time we had a boyfriend? Me and you just dust out the boy. But you see, now then time, I not have strength to know. All me have time for now is my 2 picnic them. That's all me have time for now. So, fix it up, go to the police if you have to, sit down and talk to him because it will spoil. I mean, I want nobody can kill my best friend because I search for him. I want to hear about. So talk to him. You know what? Later, me gonna me yard. Me gonna me yard. Hope you like that one. Yes. Remember to like, subscribe, tell a friend. Yes, and they will thank you at the end. So just go and do anything. Just remember to subscribe. Remember to subscribe. Me I beg you, me I beg you. Yes, that's natural talent. Yes, just do your thing. Alright?